What's up you guys, it's Antonio here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can join an Instagram engagement group in 2019 and how to use it once you do. Okay, so first things first, if you're not familiar with what an Instagram engagement group is, basically you download Telegram. There are these different groups that people are in. It'll say DX5, DX10, DX times 24 hours, and what that means is you'll have to, depending on what the rules say at the top of the pinned message for the group, like and comment, or whatever the rule says, times whatever the number is they put. And if they put DX times 24 hours, that means that everybody in the group, before they can post their Instagram post, they have to go back 24 hours and like and or comment on everything beforehand before they can post their picture. And then everybody 24 hours ahead of that will have to like and comment on their post until the next 24 hours. And that one is a little bit more difficult, obviously a little bit more time consuming, but the ones that you can do super fast are like the DX5, DX10, and even the DX20 is only gonna take you max like 5 minutes. And what you're gonna wanna do is ideally pick a really busy group where you see people posting once every few minutes, and that's going to enable you to pretty much only have 1 or 2 groups, and you can just keep on reposting. And as long as you wait until, don't like and comment the 5 people before you and then wait until 1 person is below you, wait until another 5 or 10 or whatever the number for that group is has passed, and then you can repost and you can repost. But the only reason you're going to want to have multiple groups is because the more engagement you can get in that first hour on Instagram, the more likely it is to get on the explore page and to get shown to more people in the hashtags and to get shown to more of your audience and all of that good stuff. So that's the plus side to having more than 1 group. But anyways, I just created a website that I'm gonna put down in the description, and I created 3 different groups that you can start off by joining. Now, if you want me to make a specific group for your niche, comment some of your niches down below, and the ones that get, the most amount of likes in like the top 10, 20 comments, I'll make a new group for those niches, and I'll pin those group links down below, and then everybody can go and join those, and then we'll have brand new engagement groups for the different niches that you may have. But if you don't want to join mine, there's also like wolfglobal.com. If you go to Google, you can type in Instagram engagement groups, and there's plenty of forums and stuff like that where they will give you, an ample amount of groups that you can join. But if you want to make it simple, just go down to the description and join mine. And then what all of these groups are going to have, and what mine has too, is if you want to have your post automatically dropped without having to engage with everybody else, in the other groups and in my groups, you're able to pay a few extra dollars, and that's going to enable you to just have your post dropped in there automatically without having to do anything. And so every time you post on Instagram, if you post daily, which you should be doing if you want to really grow quickly, then what's going to happen is if you joined and paid for the premium for the DX5 group or DX10, you're going to have, or say both, then you're going to have at least 15 comments and 15 likes on that post the second you post it, and that's going to help boost all of your posts immediately. But you don't have to pay for anything. The group's completely free. All you have to do is engage with other people. The premium stuff in all of these groups, and including mine, is just extra, right? So how do you know if these engagement groups are working? Well, it's as simple as this. If you haven't turned your Instagram account into a business account yet, go ahead and do so. And what that's going to enable you to do is when you post something, you can click on View Insights right above your picture or right below your picture. And then if you had posted hashtags right away when you posted your picture, which is what you're going to do, because otherwise you're not going to be able to see how many views you're getting for the hashtags. But anyways, when you first post your picture, say you put 10 hashtags down below. You go to the Instagram engagement groups, you get engagement, you'll be able to clearly see that every time one of these people with 10,000, 20,000 followers engages with your post, you're all of a sudden getting shown to 50, 100, 200 more people in your hashtags marker, plus you're getting shown to their viewers if your content is quality. And because if that one person with 20,000 followers likes and comments on your picture, it's gonna start showing it, that your image or video, to their followers. But if their followers don't like what they're seeing, this is why it's important to be in a niche specific group, then Instagram engagement, or the Instagram algorithm that is just gonna push your post back down. So you have to make sure that it is a quality post. This stuff, all of these techniques and tips and tricks, they only work if what you're posting is something that people are going to want to comment on. And if it's not a, like a theme page or a meme page or something like that where it's easy to get a lot of engagement, there are other ways to do it. And I'll create a video on that, but just some quick tips. You can add a caption and try to engage people with a question, or say something that's gonna, make a lot of people want to talk about it. It's gonna ensue some, it's gonna make them feel some kind of way about it, right? But yeah, good content and these engagement groups, and then there's plenty of other stuff you can do too. But for now, we're just gonna start off with this video. I'm gonna put the stuff down in the description. Let me know what you want to see next, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.